the ultrasonic cleaning fluid. This is a super concentrate, so only a few drops are needed per tank full of water to get the maximum activity out of the ultrasonic waves passing through the water to clean your glasses. Here's how to determine how much concentrate you need. Fill your tank with the appropriate amount of water. Turn the unit on, and you can see there's not much activity, and you can also hear the pitch of the water. That's the sound of the sound waves transferring through the water itself. I'm going to add a drop at a time of the concentrate. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm waiting to hear is a change in the pitch, which is starting to happen now, and a change in the water activity. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've gone from a very smooth water action to now where the water is starting to get extremely agitated.